What an incredible collection of gorgeous vehicles we have here. Many of these will still be here at our car show. Look at that Ferrari, Grand Prix, Packard, LS powered, Lincoln, Aston Martin, Mercedes. You can't forget the Ford GT. Some gorgeous cars here. This one just came out of our restoration shop. This is a surprise. I'm not even supposed to show that one yet. So many beautiful cars. Come see us. Actually, I needed to keep shooting because I had left out some of the most gorgeous cars of all. Look at that. Flathead V8, LS powered 69 Chevelle, gorgeous Sunliner, and of course our 57 supercharged Cadillac. Oh, look at the blue flame in that 53 Chevy. So many awesome cars.